Students, today will learn what is arc and how it is generated. Generally, when we do the practical of arc welding, we touch the tip of the electrode onto the workpiece surface and withdraw it little bit, maybe 2 to 3 mm, and we see the arc is generated. Now let us first know what is arc. Arc is a sustained discharge of electric current through a dielectric medium. Sustained discharge of electric current through a dielectric fluid. This can be either gas or liquid. And if the discharge of electricity through a dielectric medium is discontinuous or interrupted, then this phenomena is known as spark. यानी अगर करंट का डिस्चार्ज इलेक्ट्रोड से वर्कपीस के ऊपर कंटिन्यूसली हो रहा है तो हम उसे आर्क कहेंगे, और अगर रुक रुक के हो रहा है तो हमें उसे स्पार्क कहेंगे. जैसे कि हमने घर में कई बार देखा है, किसी भी सर्किट में अगर वो लूज कनेक्शन हो तो स्पार्किंग होती है, राइट. तो नाउ सी व्हाट इज द फिनोमेना ऑफ जनरेशन ऑफ दिस आर्क. वी नो डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीन्स इलेक्ट्रिकली insulating material. Air is electrically insulating. So how current is discharged from one terminal to other terminal through a dielectric medium. Now let us see the concept of it. We know we cannot make any surface dead smooth or perfectly smooth. If we magnify the surface of workpiece, so we will see the asperities on it, and if we magnify similarly the surface of electrode, so it will have asperities, peaks and valleys. Now when the electrode is touched on to the surface of workpiece while initiating the arc, the only peaks of the electrode and peaks of the workpiece are in contact of each other, and in the spaces in between the gases or atmospheric air is trapped. Now because of a very small contact area at electrode and workpiece, which is much less than the physical area of contact, a very high resistance is developed here, and because of that tremendous heat, the whole current passes through these contact points, and therefore very large amount of heat is created, and that large amount of heat heats up the air trapped in between these asperities, and the temperature of those gases reaches to the order of 5000 to 5500 degrees centigrade, and at this temperature the air atoms, they are ionized. It means the positive ions, and by releasing the electrons, air atoms become positive ions by releasing electrons, and in the meantime we lift this electrode up. तो क्या होता है, इस इलेक्ट्रोड और वर्कपीस के बीच में जो कांटेक्ट में जो गैस थी वो आयनाइज हो गई थी, और जिसकी वजह से एक कंडक्टिव मीडियम बन गया था, और उसी की वजह से ये आर्क एस्टेब्लिश होता है, राइट. बिकॉज ऑफ इनिशियली कॉन्टेक्ट, the area of contact is very small because of the asperities of the contact surfaces, और इसके बीच में जो खाली जगह रह जाती है उसमें एयर तो ट्रैप रहती है, वो एयर ट्रैप जो होती है वो इस हीट की वजह से आयनाइज हो जाती है, एंड इन द मीन टाइम वी लिफ्ट द इलेक्ट्रोड स्लाइटली अप. तो इस आयनाइज एयर के थ्रू करंट पास होने लगती है, एंड दिस discharge of current from one electrode to the workpiece or the electrode to the workpiece is known as arc. right? And the similar phenomena produces heat in resistance heating because of the contact, and this phenomena is known as contact resistance, right? So this was all about arc, spark, and how arc is created. Okay, thank you.